think it's kind of hard to conceptualize or understand how powerful the zoom tool is in AutoCAD unless you get a really in-your-face demonstration. And that's what this is supposed to be, an in-your-face demonstration. So I want to show you what we've got here. This is a drawing of the solar system. So that would be the whole solar system to scale, which means it's drawn the size it actually is. So this is big, right? And if we look out here, the blue rings, well, these are the orbits of the planets, the outer planets. So the one out here would be Pluto, because hey, when I went to school, Pluto was a planet, so I included it. And as we zoom in, we get closer and closer to the inner planets. Now, something's happening on the screen that I want you to be aware of, and it's the fact that these circles don't look very circular. And that's because sometimes to save a little bit of memory on your computer, AutoCAD will make a circle look like a polygon with 10 or 12 or 20 or 100 sides. So if you ever see a circle and it looks kind of wonky like this, you type RE, which is the command for regenerate the screen. And then all of our circles are perfect and circular once again. So we saw the outer planets, and now we're going into the inner planets, and there is the sun. And that is the sun at 1,392,000 kilometers in diameter, and that's how large it has been drawn. So AutoCAD can draw impressively large things. What I wanted to do though is I wanted to take a little tour, and I wanted to find the Earth. Now you probably know that Earth is the third planet out, and we see a little dot there. So we're going to zoom in to where the Earth is. And you know, that little circle we saw isn't actually the Earth. The little circle we saw is the orbit of the moon around the Earth. The Earth is right here at 12,000 kilometers in diameter. Okay, so we're going to actually back it out a little ways, and we're going to go find the moon. And the moon is here on the westmost quadrant of that circle, showing the orbit of the moon around the Earth. And there's the moon, and the moon has a diameter of about 3,500 kilometers. And when this was drawn, it was drawn to that actual size. Now, I didn't want to go from the solar system out to the moon to impress you with AutoCAD's zoom ability, because that's not that impressive, is it? I mean, yeah, the solar system is big, but so is the moon. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you that as we get closer to the moon, okay, so you can pick any place you want to. So now what we want to take a look at is, here's the moon, and just above the 6 to the right, there's a little dot. Well, let's zoom into that. Now, the little dot, little circle was there actually to help us find something. We're not looking for the circle, we're looking for this little thing just northeast of the circle. Yeah, so what the heck is this thing? Well, if we zoom in a little bit closer, we see that this is a drawing, actual size, of the Lunar Lander that was left on the moon back in 1969. So we went from the entire solar system, including Pluto, zoomed all the way out, all the way down to the Lunar Lander left on the moon. But that's not it. Watch this. See, there's actually a plaque on the leg of the Lunar Lander. And the power of zoom in AutoCAD is so strong that we can actually zoom from the extents of the solar system all the way down to be able to read the words on this plaque on the leg of the Lunar Lander. Here men from the planet Earth first set foot on the moon, July 1969. We came in peace for all mankind. So now think of what we're looking at. We're looking at a small metal plate with some engraving on it. Where do we start out? Well, we started way out, didn't we? We were able to zoom all the way from the extents of the solar system down to that little tiny plaque and actually be able to read the text. So the point of this is to show you that you can't hide anything in AutoCAD. Zoom is way too powerful. There is no way to conceal something or just say, well, eyeballing it is good enough. It just has to look good. It doesn't have to be perfect. It actually does have to be perfect.